Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is on improving handwriting. This topic I have covered under many headings. So let us start with today's video. The first heading is practice regularly. Like any skill, improving your handwriting requires consistent practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice writing neatly. You can use lined paper or print out handwriting worksheets to guide you. The second heading is maintain proper posture and grip. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor and your writing surface at a comfortable angle. Hold the pen or pencil with a relaxed grip, not too tight or too loose. Ensure your wrist and fingers are in a comfortable position for controlled movement. Third heading is focus on letter formation. Pay attention to the formation of each letter. Start with the basic strokes and shapes and practice writing individual letters first. Gradually work on connecting them into words and sentences. Consistency in letters size and shape is key to legible handwriting. Next point is slow down. Many people rush when writing, which can lead to messy handwriting. Slow down your writing speed to gain better control over your penmanship. Focus on each stroke and letter and take your time to ensure they are well formed and uniform. Fifth heading is Analyze and Copy Size. Study different handwriting styles to find out one that appeals to you. Analyze the shapes and angles of letters as well as spacing between them. Practice copying the style you like, and over time, you can develop your own unique handwriting that is both legible and aesthetically pleasing. I hope that you liked the video. I am also trying to improve my handwriting more and more. I am also following these points, and believe me, I have improved myself. So I am telling by my experience. Go through all these points, and if you really want to improve your handwriting, you can do that as well. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.